where there's no time, no space.
Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a Valentine's makeup tutorial look, and I got me some new makeup stuff that I'm going to show y'all, and so that's what I'm going to do, but I'm going to let y'all go, so let's get started on this video. Hey guys, it's Tiffany. So today I'm doing a Valentine's Day makeup look tutorial. I'm going to show y'all some ideas that you could do. What some of y'all might already know what you do. Some, if new at this, y'all should watch this video, and it will help the ones who are new at putting on makeup too. So I'm still getting used to putting makeup on. So I am using my first one, makeup, like the makeup sponge. I got it at Walmart. I think it was like $4 something. But I will put all the makeup stuff at the bottom of this video in the description box, so you know about it. And I love this stuff. And I got the other Maybelline foundation, the fitting. Oh my lord, I love it. I love wearing it. I just started one today making this video, so I love it. It's like it's matched my skin. I got the right one. I'm like, yay, I got the right one. I'm sorry about this. It's getting dark. It's getting dark right now. I'm really sorry about that, y'all. I'm gonna go in the bathroom and do this because
I will fight fire with fire, fire with fire. Don't wanna say goodbye, 'cause I don't think that
eyeshadow. This should do my eyeshadow first. Okay, guys. I have to like read instructions on here. Let's see. It tells you how to do it on this. So it's my first time using it. I used this name before, but I just never used this one type though. This is like the new one. It look like the new one kind of. That's probably why. Okay, I have to like use the first one. So it says in the middle, like right here. So. And the butt is so that goes like up here, about like, you know, the eyebrow. I have to memorize this. So 5. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I have to do 5 at the bottom. Oh, wait a minute, I see this. It's like if you want to put a lot of it, but not really. So I'm just going to do at the bottom of it. This one right here. Use this because it's like a little pink, so this is Valentine's. So, because Valentine's be coming up. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing with this other eye the same way, so I'll be right back. Okay, this is like the eyeshadow. This is my new one. know y'all better see I'm in the bathroom because it's getting dark, so the sunlight is going down, so I had to come in the bathroom to finish this part of this ending and the other parts to the middle of the videos. But yeah, and I know y'all didn't see the mascara is because I don't have mascara and I forgot to get it, so I have to like use my pencil, my eyeliner, my like eyebrow brush and using a eyeliner to kind of make it like I have mascara. I might make a video how to do that, like a life hack how to do that if you don't have makeup, like have like mascara or something, you throw it away and you know you forgot to get some. I might make a video for that, about that. Just like, comment, and subscribe, and I see y'all doing it on my next vlog. My next vlog, my next vlog and my next video too. So yeah, and I see y'all. So yeah, bye y'all.
You wanna get away? We don't need a plane. I could be your escape.